Dear students, today we discuss about a data structure called a queue. Queue. What is a queue? Queue is a linear data structure where the insertion of element is possible at rear end and the deletion of an element is possible at the front end. Okay, here you use two pointers. One is front pointer and another one is rear pointer. If front is equal to -1 and rear is equal to -1, the queue is empty. Okay, see the insertion is possible at the rear end and the deletion is possible at the front end. Okay, that is the concept of queue. Okay, in general, where we can see the queue data structure in almost all. Okay, in reservation counters, then cash counter in bank, then in ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಪೋ ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತೀರಪ್ಪ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪಲ್ಲೇ ಕ್ಯೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯೂ ಟು ಬೈ ಎ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ನಿಂತ್ಕೋತೀರ. ಅದೈತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಮನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ it works on the principle of first in first out. Okay, FCFS ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಫೋ. ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಫೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್. ಯಾರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು. ಓಕೆ, FCFS ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. FCFS, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ದ ಕ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you have to say first in first out. Okay, so here you have two ends. ಎರಡು ends ಇರುತ್ತೆ, two pointers. One is called front and another one is called rear. Okay, if front is equal to -1 and rear is equal to -1, then q is empty. Okay, ಇವೆರಡು -1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ empty q is empty. Okay, then you have to increment the pointer to insert a element at the rear end. Okay, so then you need to increment the pointer by position 1. Front is equal to front plus 1. Then rear is equal to rear plus 1. Always rear pointer will be incremented for each element. Okay, see, for example, to insert an element, see here what are the operations. First of all, you need to know the operations performed on queue. Yav operations ide. Okay, let us discuss the operation. Okay, operation performed on queue. Okay, operations performed on queue. Okay, first of all, queue, you need to create a new queue. Queue. Second one, NQ. Next, DQ, NQ. Okay, then size, then is empty. Okay, see here, queue. Queue means it creates a new queue. Creates a new queue. Creates a new queue. And NQ. NQ. What do you mean by NQ? Where the adding an element to the queue, into the queue. Adding an element into the queue, or inserting an element, or inserting an element, into the queue is called NQ. Okay, next operation, DQ. DQ means what? Removing or deleting. Removing or deleting. Removing or deleting an element from the existing queue. From the existing queue. Then size. This operation returns the number of elements in the queue. Returns the number of elements in the queue. Okay. Then the last operation is empty. It checks whether the queue is empty or not. Checks whether the queue is empty or not. Okay. See, these are all the operations performed on queue. Example ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, write the operation performed on queue 2 marks ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ 3 marks ಗೆ. Then you have to write queue. This will not take any parameter. It creates a new queue. Queue na create ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Next NQ will take the parameter. Okay, arguments it will take adding an element or entering an element ಅಂತ. Inserting an element into the queue is called NQ. DQ is an operation. It takes no parameters. ಇದು parameters ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, arguments ನ. It removes or deleting an element from the existing queue is called DQ. Size, it returns the number of elements in the queue. Queue ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು elements ಇದೆ, size it returns. Then is empty, checks whether the queue is empty or not. These are the operations performed on queue. Okay, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ 3 marks ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 3 marks question. Okay, similarly, types of queues. Types of queues. Important question. Types of queues. One, the simple queue. Okay, first one, simple queue. Circular queue. Priority queue. Double-ended queue. Okay, so these are the types of queues: simple queue, ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಯೂ, ಪ್ರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಎಂಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 10, 20 and 30 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ front end, this is called front and this is called rear end. And here position q of 0, q of 0, q of 1, q of 2, similarly q of n minus 1. Okay, so this is the simple queue where the deletion is possible at the front end and the insertion is possible at the rear end. Okay, so this is simple queue. And similarly circular queue. How the circular queue works? Circular queue. Okay, the rear end will be joined to the front end. It's called a circular queue. Okay, see, this is rear and this is front end. Okay, the rear end of the queue is joined to the front end. It's called a circular queue. Any position here, you can write 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, see, this is the circular queue. And similarly priority queue. Okay, priority queue. Third one, priority queue. How priority queue works? According to the priority, you can set the front and the rear end. Priority queue. Here, see, queue formation. Okay. Here we'll give some 20 and here some 40 and here 10 and 30. Okay, first priority will be given here, priority. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ priority queue. Okay, queue structure, then queue formation, queue formation, queue formation, queue formation. Then according to the priority, the list will goes to the first 10, then 20, 30 and 40. And the positions here 0, q of 0, q of 1, q of 2 and q of 3. And this is the priority queue formation. Okay, ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು priority first ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ 10 according to the less number, you can go for it one. Okay, it will form it, the queue formation can be done, then 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, see, priority queue, priority queue. Okay, priority queue. Next, similarly double-ended queue. Double-ended queue means at both the ends you can delete and insert. Insertion and deletion is possible at both the ends. Okay, okay, front end ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಲೀಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇರ್, right? Front and rear. At the front end you are going to delete, at the rear end you are going to add. Similarly here also. Okay, here is front and here is rear. on both the ends, double-ended queue. Okay, the deletion and insertion is possible at both the ends. Such a concept is called double-ended queue. Okay, in simple queue, the deletion is possible at the front end and the insertion is possible at the rear end of the queue. That is simple queue. Okay, in circular queue, the last element of the queue is connected to the front end. Rear will be connected to the front. That is called a circular queue. In the priority queue, according to the priority, you are going to access the elements. That is priority queue. In double-ended queue, the insertion and deletion is possible at both the ends. Okay, in front end also as well as at the rear end also. Okay, see, these are all the types of queues. This is also very important question. They'll ask in the examination for 3 marks. This 3 marks. Okay, right. Now you can write the algorithm to insert an element. Okay, insert an element into the queue. Operations. That is very important. NQ operation. Important, very important concept. Okay. Algorithm. NQ. Okay. See, element will be inserted of an element Q and N. Okay. Step 1. This algorithm will insert a new element into the queue. Okay. Step 1. Start or begin. Step 2. Okay. If rear is equal to n minus 1. If rear is equal to n minus 1, then print Q is full. Is the condition important. Q is full. Exit. Step 3. Element will be inserted of Q of rear. Q of rear will be the element. Q of rear is equal to element Q of rear insert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Then step 4. Rear is equal to rear plus 1. Increment the point by 1. Okay. Step 5 end. Okay, this is the algorithm. ನೋಡಿ algorithm ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Write an algorithm for NQ operation means where you are going to add an element into the queue. Okay, see, you need to begin it, then you have to check for this condition. If rear is equal to n minus 1, last position, then queue is full. Exit agi. Ilva, you are going to insert an element into the rear end of the queue. Then you increment the rear pointer. Rear is equal to rear plus 1 and the end. Okay, see, just by writing 5 steps, you will get 3 marks. ನೋಡಿ 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ರೇರ್ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಫ್ ರೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು n minus 1 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮುಗೀತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ಸರ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ you are going to insert the element into the rear end of the queue. Then you have to increment the rear pointer. Rear is equal to rear plus 1. Then end. Okay, so this is the algorithm to perform NQ operation. NQ, entering an element, adding an element, inserting an element into the queue. Okay students, thank you.